हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू। कैसे हैं आप लोग? हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं चैप्टर सॉल्यूशंस और इसमें हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं अबाउट द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ बाइनरी सॉल्यूशन। आज हम लोग बात करेंगे एक्सप्रेसिंग कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग को ये समझना होगा कि व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन और हाउ द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ ए सॉल्यूशन इट इज़ डिफाइंड। The amount of solute present in given amount of solvent or solution is called concentration of solute in solution or concentration of solution. The concentration of a solution can be expressed either qualitatively or quantitatively. For example, qualitatively we can say that a solution is dilute. A dilute solution means small amount of solute it is present in the solution, or it is concentrated in means larger amount of or more amount of solute it is present in the solution. Since sometimes this description can make a lot of confusion and therefore a quantitative description it is needed. There are several ways to describe the concentration of the solution quantitatively. A number of ways are there to express the concentration of the solution quantitatively. We have to read that one by one. First, it is mass percentage, that is W by W. The mass percentage of a component of a solution is the amount of the component in gram present in 100 gram of solution. Mathematically, mass percentage of a component is equal to mass of the component in the solution divided by total mass of the solution multiplied by 100. One example, a solution of 10% glucose in water means 10 gram of glucose is dissolved in 90 gram of water, so that the mass of the solution is 100 gram. In this case, glucose is the solute and 10 gram of glucose it is dissolved in 90 gram of water. Water is the solvent, and here the mass of the solution it becomes 100 gram. The above expression to represent the concentration of the solution in terms of mass percentage can also be written as percentage W by W is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution multiplied by 100 is equal to WB divided by WA plus WB multiplied by 100, where WA it is the mass of solvent and WB it is the mass of solute. Now one numerical problem related to this expression. Calculate the mass percentage of benzene C6H6 and carbon tetrachloride CCl4 if 22 gram benzene is dissolved in 122 gram of carbon tetrachloride. In this case, benzene it is the solute, whereas carbon tetrachloride it is the solvent. Now mass percentage of benzene is equal to mass of benzene divided by total mass of solution multiplied by 100, and therefore mass percentage of this benzene is equal to 22 gram. In the question it is given that 22 gram benzene, therefore 22 gram divided by 122 gram plus 22 gram. 122 gram it is the mass of solvent CCl4 multiplied by 100, then it comes 22 gram divided by 144 gram multiplied by 100. When this one it is calculated, the value comes 15.28%. Means in this case, in this solution, mass percentage of benzene it is 15.28%. Similarly, the mass percentage of carbon tetrachloride it is mass of carbon tetrachloride divided by total mass of solution multiplied by 100 is equal to here 122 gram. Here the mass of carbon tetrachloride, as in the question it is given 122 gram divided by mass of solvent it is here 144 gram. Here it is already calculated. This one 122 gram divided by 144 gram multiplied by 100. When it is calculated, the value it comes 84.72%. Means the mass percentage of carbon tetrachloride in this solution it is 84.72%. Next one, it is the volume percentage, that is V by V. This mode of concentration is used when both solvent and solute are in liquid state and is calculated as percentage V by V is equal to volume of component divided by volume of solution multiplied by 100. For example, 10% ethanol solution in water means 10 milliliter of ethanol is dissolved in water such that the total volume of the solution it is 100 milliliter. 10% ethanol solution in water means, suppose 10 milliliter of ethanol it is dissolved in 90 milliliter of water, so that the total volume of the solution here 100 milliliter. Next one, to express the concentration, the next mode it is here mass by volume percentage, that is W by V. It is the mass of solute in gram present in 100 milliliter of the solution, and mathematically percentage W by V is equal to mass of solute in gram divided by volume of solution in milliliter multiplied by 100. Next, parts per million. This mode of expressing the concentration, it is very convenient, or it is very important when the solute is present in trace quantities, and this can be defined as parts per million, that is ppm, is equal to number of parts of the component divided by total number of parts of all the components of the solution multiplied by 10 raised to power 6, or ppm is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution multiplied by 10 raised to power 6, and this can also be written as ppm is equal to wb divided by wa plus wb multiplied by 10 raised to power 6. Here wb it is the mass of solute and wa it is the mass of solvent. Next one, it is the mole fraction. It is defined as the ratio of number of moles of one component of the solution by the total moles of all the components in the solution, and therefore mole fraction of a component is equal to number of moles of the component divided by total number of moles of all the components. For example, in a binary solution means only two components are there. If the number of moles of components A and B are the two components, and the number of moles of this component A and B are Na and Nb respectively, then mole fraction of A will be, mole fraction of A here it is chi A is equal to Na divided by Na plus Nb, and similarly the mole fraction of the component B will be chi B is equal to Nb divided by Na plus Nb. Here chi A plus chi B is equal to 1 or unity and is dimensionless quantity. For a solution containing I number of components, the mole fraction it can be expressed as chi I is equal to Ni divided by N1 plus N2 plus plus Ni is equal to Ni divided by summation Ni. In this case also the sum of all the mole fractions is unity, that is chi 1 plus chi 2 plus plus chi I is equal to 1. Now one numerical problem related to this mole fraction. Calculate the mole fraction of benzene in solution containing 30% by mass in carbon tetrachloride. In this case, benzene it is the solute, whereas carbon tetrachloride it is the solvent. In this case, 30% by mass of C6H6 in CCl4 means 30 gram C6H6 is present in 100 gram of solution. Suppose here 100 gram, and in this 100 gram 30 gram benzene is present, means 100 minus 30, that is 70 gram carbon tetrachloride is present as a solvent in this solution. Now molar mass of C6H6 it is 78 gram per mole, and therefore number of moles of C6H6, that is benzene, here NC6H6 is equal to 30 divided by 78. 30 here in the quotient is given there 30%, so here it is 30 divided by 78. 78 here it is the molar mass of benzene, then the value it comes 0.385. Similarly, number of moles of CCl4, that is NCCl4 is equal to 70 divided by 154. 70 here, that is the mass of carbon tetrachloride, and divided by the molar mass of carbon tetrachloride, and molar mass of carbon tetrachloride it is 154 gram per mole, and therefore 70 divided by 154 is equal to 0.454, and therefore mole fraction of benzene C6H6 for this one, chi C6H6 is equal to NC6H6 divided by NC6H6 plus NCCl4. Now if we put the value of the number of moles of benzene and carbon tetrachloride, we get here 0.385 divided by 0.385 plus 0.454 is equal to, here it is 0.385 divided by 0.839, and when this one it is calculated, or it is when it is solved, then the value it comes to be 0.459, means in this case the mole fraction of benzene it is 0.459. Similarly, the mole fraction of carbon tetrachloride, here chi CCl4 is equal to NCCl4 divided by NC6H6 plus NCCl4. Then the value, when we put the value of this NCCl4 here, it comes to be 0.454 divided by this NC6H6 plus NCCl4, here it will be 0.385 plus 0.454, and when this one it is calculated, it becomes 0.454 divided by 0.839 is equal to 0.541. This one, that is the mole fraction of carbon tetrachloride, can also be calculated as chi CCl4 is equal to 1 minus mole fraction of benzene, means here 1 minus 0.459, then it becomes, the value it comes here 0.541, the same value. Next day we will discuss about the other modes of expressing the concentration of solutions. Okay, thank you, take care and have a good day.